Hi, and welcome to the Clipsal Electrical Design Service Application, known as Clipspec. Clipspec can be used by electrical contractors and builders to work with their customers to specify where electrical goods, services or products can be placed on an electrical floor plan for an upcoming home build. The Clipspec application offers a large range of features and self-management options, including the ability to completely self-manage your products, pricing, user access, as well as the projects themselves. For the purposes of today's presentation, I'm going to jump straight into showing you how a consultant can work with the floor plan itself to dynamically place products and get a live look at the total costs of the bill of materials. To do that, I'm going to jump from my dashboard straight into this project which I've created earlier. On my project overview screen, you can see I've got a good view of information that's useful to me, such as the address of the build, the builder, specifications for the home, and some total electrical values as well. Further down the page, I can also access the most recent version of the bill of materials, the floor plan, and the floor plans themselves. So now I'm going to jump into our edit mode or our consultation mode and get into the good stuff. In this view, a consultant will work with a customer to specify where their products are going to be placed. To do so, we've got added a few interesting and useful features. On the left-hand side, we have our product catalog, which consultants can use to search for products by a keyword, using the range, style or color filters, and also the category filtering as well. On the right hand side, you have our live bill of materials menu, which is used to illustrate which products and services are already included on the plan and where they are placed. As we update the project, you'll note that the bill of materials menu is going to update live to include those products and update the overall pricing as I go. In the middle, you'll note that I've got my floor plan itself, which is using a HTML canvas and allows me to really quickly and seamlessly interact with it. I can drag it and drop it, pan, and I can zoom in and zoom out really easily using both keyboard and mouse shortcuts. On the top right hand side, you'll see my toolbar where I have tools such as linking, dimensions, text, and line tools all available to me. If I'd like to add some batten holder lights to my project as a demonstration, I can simply grab those from the left-hand side menu and drag them straight onto the plan. And you'll see they get added immediately. And on the right-hand side, my pricing is going to update as I go. Once I've placed my products where I would like to place them, so sort of a square arrangement in this room, I'm able to quickly link them together to indicate a relationship. And I can do that with some simple keyboard shortcuts or by using the link tool from the menu on my right. Once I've put these links in where I want them, I can grab another product. In this case, I'm going to grab a light switch. And I'm going to link all four of these lights together. Now that I've set up my links, I'm going to customize these to specify a little bit more information to my builder. To do that, I'm going to add some instructions via my text box. And I'll make sure that that stands out with the various color and sizing tools I have available to me. You'll note that all of these changes are saving as I go and that I'm able to undo them really quickly and easily. Every change that's made in Clipspec is changed on the fly and stored in the cloud, which means that a user can be managing a project here or on another machine without any fear of loss of data or recency. Once I'm happy with my project, I can export that where I can see a summary of my pricing and my products, and I can then move forward to exporting them to PDF. I'm going to export that now, which is now going to render all of my information out to a nice, friendly PDF.